Hi, my name's Tony, and I'm currently rethinking our marketing strategy on the digital side. Our current website was built on the trend that content is king, but the truth is today I need to nurture and sustain engagements with my customers. And to do that, I need to be able to surprise and delight them by delivering content in context of their interests and their behaviors across the channels in which they choose to engage with me and which I choose to engage with them. Hey Brian, do you think we can quickly and simply use templates and marketing automation to address some of these requirements?
Hey Tony, absolutely. Tell me more and I'll show you how.
Sure. I think we should start with a new site and a site that's optimized for both the desktop and mobile devices. Is there a way we can get started quickly with this new site, Brian?
We sure can. Let's take a look. Our site builder allows one to quickly spin up new sites, all in just a few steps. We can begin by browsing a catalog of existing templates and choosing the one of interest. We then give a name to our site and specify any site title and friendly URL information. Second, we can specify the library for storing our content. And third, we can control what pages from the site template we would like to include. Clicking the Create button, and after a short moment of time, the new site is created and ready for our customization. And by the way, since this newly created site is using templates that are both responsive and adaptive, you can be sure that your site is optimized for both desktop and mobile devices. Back to you, Tony.
Thanks, Brian. That's a good start. Can you show me how the new site can react to customer interest and behaviors that we can track across those mobile, web, and social channels?
Sure, Tony. Let's create a targeted promotional content spot. To attract potential customers and build a relationship, we'll create a promotion for a free bike repair class. To do this, we can switch into edit mode, browse our repository of promotional content items, and drag and drop one of the promotional spots to the page. Now, while this is a great promotion to have on the page, let's configure this spot so our goal level customers will see a different targeted promotion. Configuring this spot first requires that I select the targeted content item. And in this case, I'll select one which shows a one-on-one tune-up opportunity with a local expert instead of a whole class. Next, I will browse my marketing repository and select the Greenwheels Go Level user segment. And in just these few steps, we've created a targeted promotion which reacts to what we know about the customer. And we'll see it in action in the later part of the demo. Back to you, Tony.
That's great, Brian. Now I'm ready to deliver content that has an appropriate context for my customers. Tell me this, how can I leverage the email channel to engage with customers when they're most likely to be receptive to the message and drive them back to my site so they can see our promotions?
That's a great idea, Tony. Let me show you how we can use the outbound email channel to notify customers who might have recently shown interest in this repair and maintenance section of our site. To do this, we can use one of our existing email templates, which of course can contain personalized content. Now, in order to maintain consistency for the users across multiple channels, we can choose to browse our web content repository for existing content to be included within our email. After selecting the web content and doing a quick preview, we can see that the content from our Knowledge Center has been dynamically included as part of the email. Now moving on to the send experience, we can select who this email should be sent to, which in this case will be users who have shown interest in the bicycle repair section of our site. We also have the option of setting the send time optimization capability. Instead of just blindly sending out all the emails, we can use historical information to deliver the message at the time of day when the customer is most receptive, or in other words, most likely to open it. And after performing a quick health check on our email, it can be sent out for delivery. Now here's how the email appears in my inbox. In addition to the personalized content, clicking on the email will drive me back to the site, which, by the way, recognizes who I am as a gold level customer and shows me the targeted promotion. Clicking on the promotion allows me to leverage the form automation capabilities to sign up and gather additional information.
Okay, Brian, that email looks right on target. For my marketing campaign to be effective, though, I really need to know that the email gets delivered and what actions the customer takes with it. Do I have the tools to be able to do that?
Yes, we can, Tony. And let me show you a very quick example. We have a fully configurable dashboard, which shows a wealth of information. For example, we can see how many users received the email and how many chose to click through into the site. Other information includes which domains or companies received this outbound campaign and how successful we were in the delivery. We can use this information to set up nurturing programs to further build the relationship we have with the customer. But this is just a glimpse of the wealth of information which can be used to be more effective in how we engage with the customer. And I know we're getting close to the end of the demo, so I'll turn it back over to you to wrap things up.
That's fantastic, Brian. Now I'm all set with the tools to create, target, and measure the effectiveness of how I deliver content to my customers in context of A, what I know about them, and B, to make it accessible at a time and a place that's convenient for them. I'm all set, mate. Thank you.